Oh, hello everyone. What's up, guys? Wow, I just realized that's a W for what's up, guys. That's kind of perfect. So as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be cutting my hair by myself. Technically, I could say I've done this a couple times before, but really I haven't. I think twice I've blindfolded myself and like cut straight across, and then my mom came in to fix it. But this time I'm gonna try and do it all by myself and like not have anyone help me. Like legitimately cut my hair. You know. So today's August 11th and I leave for college August 17th. So I've been so busy planning everything else with moving, etc. I've completely forgotten that I need a haircut. Uh-oh. You know, I'm not doing anything dramatic. I'm really just doing a trim. You know, if this ends up poorly and I have to shave my head, I'm gonna be kind of okay with that because part of me wants to. Anyways, I looked in the drawer of like hair accessories in my parents' bathroom. I found 3 pairs of scissors. Yeah, so before we jump right in, I have to go take a piss. Hey yo, pee check. Fall out, baby. We've been balling since the 6th grade. People have told me that I pee with great force, and that sounds like a bath running, but I don't think that one was that impressive. I'll try better next time. Now that I've relieved my goddamn bladder, I know that when my mom cuts my hair at home, she always makes my hair wet, so I'm gonna go wet my hair in this sink, or I could have a funny bit where I turn the shower on. Make a mess. Yeah, it looks like I'm turning the shower on. Hold your goddamn horses, my goodness. I'm gonna close this just for precautionary measures. My God. Oh. Okay, my hair is feeling very nice and saturated, and I'm also very wet right now. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Whoa. Hey yo, camera check. I leave for college in like 6 days or something. I live in New York. I'm going to California. I'm like not even that scared just because my brain like won't process it. Who knows? I hope it's a good time. I'm probably putting myself at a disadvantage giving myself a whack haircut. Okay, I'm gonna start with the fronts. I've watched about 2 Brad Mondo videos. Is that his name? I think I've got to figure it out. Filming this at like 11 p.m. right now on a Sunday. Club going up. I mean, what can go wrong, honestly? I know how this works, guys. Come on. And then you gotta go like this. Oh, fuck. That felt bad. You gotta do this so it doesn't look like such a harsh edge. Right, Brad Mondo? Is that your name? Okay, so I cut off about that much. I'm gonna try and... I'm seeing like the most beautiful woman alive. I'm gonna try and match the length. Oh, I know what my mom does. She goes like this. Watch this. Oh, that looks pretty bad. Am I gonna have to do this to my whole goddamn head? I really don't want to finish doing this. I'm so confused by this. Like, I can't get it to hit the hair. Okay, this is really uncomfortable. Time is ticking right on by. It's almost freaking school time, baby. Anxiety, check. Hey guys, school's starting up soon. Ah! Did I trigger you? Please tell me I did. Choppy chop, baby. Who's on the chopping block? Oh, I should be using a mirror. That's stupid. Stupid check! I feel like I can just go like this right now and that's fine. Right? I might as well. That's the length I cut everything else. Is there something wrong with what I'm doing? Let me know. Hairdresser check. Why is that phrase the funniest thing ever to me? I could say something check about everything and just cry. Snip check. Which one of my boys got snip check though? What the hell does that even mean? Let's see how I do with the layers. Because it's supposed to go short to long, front to back, you know what I'm saying? What am I doing going to college when I should be a hairdresser? These things I figured out all by myself how to cut hair. I'm self-taught, baby. So, just giving everyone a heads up. This is definitely gonna be the last video I upload before I start uploading like my college move-in vlogs. Probably more than you guys wanna see it, I wanna see it, so I'm making that video whether you like it or not. But I'm just letting everyone know, and you can probably already assume this, but when I go to college, I'm just assuming I'm not gonna have that much free time. So I'm sorry if the YouTube uploads become even more irregular than they already are, but I'm trying my best. Swear to God I wanna make videos, it's just I don't have goddamn time. I just don't have the parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Anyone know that album? Come on, baby. That's one of my favorite albums. I love New York pizza. What am I saying? Cut this shit, you're stupid. Yeah, let's go stupid. Ah! Help me! Just kidding. I don't give a fuck. Who's excited for some goddamn moving vlogs? Ashley and Andrew and my mom are coming with me to help me move in, so they'll be in the vlogs. Is this even? That's not even. This one looks longer, right? This is awkward. Super awkward. If only you guys can see my legs right now. They're covered in hair. I think you guys can see them. I'm blind. I cannot see anything right now. What was your guys' summer like? You know, you can be like, it felt like summer didn't even happen, but like it literally did not happen for me. I did not catch a break freaking once because I the whole time was like planning moving. Super weird summer, kind of living that awkward life, living that awkward creeper life. I want to make a Minecraft YouTube video so bad, but the thing is, I don't know how to play on a goddamn computer. If I'm ever like super bored in California, did I cut? What did I just blanked out while talking and just cut the front of my hair for no reason. Now this piece seems really short for some reason. Is it equal? No, this one's shorter. That price is way too high. You need to cut it. Oh my god. Oops. Hey yo, dinner check. I'm so sorry. That is actually so disgusting. I just stood up and looked in the actual mirror. It seems that while I was talking about nothing at all, I cut this most important strand on my head way too short. And also I tried to look at the back of my head to see if it was even. Does it look even, guys? My hair looks like Hagrid most of the time. Anyways, gotta just keep on pushing forward. And like a birdie flew, all I can do is keep on keeping on, right? Am I right? Face to face, we don't see eye to eye. That was kind of fire, you gotta be honest. Actually, that was not my best, but it was kind of close to my best. Being on camera, you know, sis popped off, okay? Honestly, I'm kind of killing it. Like, my mom's definitely not gonna have to come in to help me because this looks like close enough to an actual haircut, right? I probably look ugly as all hell in this video because I'm not wearing makeup or anything. You know, this is a real honest 11 p.m. Is it a mental breakdown? In hindsight, I'll look back at this and realize, yes, this is kind of a small mental breakdown. But also, it's just me being productive, taking things in my own hands, cutting my own goddamn hair. I'm just moving along forward in adulthood. This is what adults do. This is what adults do. BuzzFeed title check. This is what adults do video check. There's no reason for me to keep going. I could just stop here, but I feel like that haircut went by way too fast. Bruh! I'm gonna sneeze. Holy shit.
Excuse me.
Yes? Mom, how's my hair look?
How much did you cut off?
Like 2 inches?
Where?
Everywhere?
Even the back?
Yeah.
Why would you cut the back hair by yourself?
Cause I'm a adult. I think it looks okay. I don't think you need to help me. Let me cut it like this.
No, Amber! This actually looks like it's pretty even.
Thank you. Alright guys, the haircut is finished. I think I would have been able to do it by myself, but my mom walked in. She insisted that she help me, which I do appreciate. It's about, I'd say 2.5 inches at the longest points. So I don't think it looks that different, which is what I was going for. Yep, there it is. And my hair is gonna look really frizzy because it always does. Please don't roast me, I get it. So now I'm just gonna go take a shower, go into bed, get right into bed on those sleepy vibes.
2 hours later.
So I just want to give you guys a little update of what my hair looked like after I shower.
Amber's natural hair is like going like
Crazy.
It's so good.
It's starting to get curly. I think it's because when I get out of the shower, I start going like this now.
Oh.
And that's literally it.
I'm jealous of Amber's hair color because my hair color is whack. It's fine.
Yeah, this is my natural hair color. But yeah, my hair dried nice and curly kind of. And I really like the length.
Perfect. Going to California in how many days?
Like 4 now.
That's crazy.
Awkward. Back to the video. I believe that is all. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, whatever time it is for you. Take a moment to reflect on your mental state. Mental health check, yo! I hope you guys are all doing well in the head and everywhere else. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll see you guys around. Adios, amigos.
2 hours later.
Can you try it again?
Andrew, why are you
Okay, try it again.
Arnold Schwarzenegger?
2 hours later.
Andrew, one more time.
2 hours later.
Okay, Terminator.
2 hours later. 2 hours later. How do I make it sound better?
I don't know. It just like go crazy.
2 hours later.
That was kind of good.